Vibe Youth is hope. I am passionate about supporting children and young people. I think looking back at my own personal experience, my own journey, and looking at my childhood and how I was raised and the experiences or the events that I experienced as a child, and it's about understanding that young people are still going through those experiences. So I feel like I can inspire young people and empower them to understand that even though we go through difficult paths in life, that something positive and something beautiful can still be achieved.
With Jake and Kaz, they're different because they've actually got the same background. They will go above and beyond for a young person, behind hours, behind the closed doors as well. They are there as well. Jake and Laz did save me, and they've saved so many young people, and that's why I think they deserve this more than anyone.
5 years ago we set up Vibe Youth, and we have lasting relationships with young people, so it's not as if when the project is over we're done and we're out. There's some of them that have been around since we first started. You know, they've gone on to have jobs, they've actually formed bonds back with their family, they've come off drugs and alcohol. The results of the project speak for themselves and the young people that we work with. That's the reason why we do what we do, because it's so lovely to see.